hate these bank robberies. Still alive, man? This butthead ain't dying. Hey, Swift the hat, dude. Why don't I just call the police? Beep, 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 beep. Ring, ring. Yeah, we got a bank robbery, but kind of took care of it because I shot him. He's maybe a little alive, but I don't think so. Okay, bye. He said he'll be right here.